Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, today another most important math is the profit and sales of Star Limited for the year 2018 and 2019 are given below. 2019 sales 2,20,000 টাকা and profit 20,000 টাকা, and 2018 sales 2 lakh টাকা and profit 16,000 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now requirements. Requirement A, calculate the profit volume ratio. Requirement B, calculate the amount of fixed cost. Requirement C, calculate the break even point. Requirement D, calculate the margin of safety for the year 2019. Requirement E, calculate the profit when sales taka 2,50,000. Okay, dear students, now solution. At first, requirement A, profit volume ratio. Formula is change in profit divided change in sales into 100. My dear students, this formula will be applicable only for 2 years related math. Okay, now update year profit 20,000 টাকা minus previous year profit 16,000 টাকা divided update year sales 2,20,000 টাকা minus previous year sales 2 lakh টাকা into 100. Then change in profit 4,000 টাকা divided change in sales 20,000 টাকা into 100 is equal to 20%. Okay, dear students, requirement B, fixed cost. Formula is contribution margin minus profit. Since profit volume ratio is 20% on sales, hence contribution profit volume is 2,20,000 into 20%, that is টাকা 44,000. So fixed cost টাকা 44,000 minus profit 20,000 টাকা, so টাকা 24,000. Okay, dear students, now requirement C, break even sales. Formula is fixed cost divided profit volume ratio or contribution margin ratio. So fixed cost amount 24,000 টাকা divided profit volume ratio 20%, that is break even sales in টাকা 1,20,000. Okay, dear students, now requirement D, margin of safety. Formula is sales minus break even point. So sales amount 2,20,000 টাকা minus break even point 1,20,000 টাকা, so margin of safety in 2019 1 lakh টাকা. Okay, dear students, now requirement E, profit. Formula is contribution margin minus fixed cost. So sales into contribution margin ratio or profit volume ratio minus fixed cost. So sales 2,50,000 into profit volume ratio 20% minus fixed cost 24,000 টাকা, that is profit amount is টাকা 26,000. Okay, dear student, this is the solution
of requirement E. Thank you so much. Next, see you.